Get inside! Oh my God. There's your Bailey. Get inside! Oh my God. Bailey, inside. Buddy, Sadie, look at you getting wet. Get inside now. Well, no, you're all wet now. Now I'm gonna have to dry you. Oh, really? Look at you, fat boy, with your jacket. With your jacket. What do we do when we get wet? Huh? Uh-oh. Let's see. Let's see. Hey, hold on. Can you wait for me to put this down? Let's see if we can film this. Hey! Oh my God. Bailey, move. Move. Don't let him in. Okay, what do? We get on the towel. Yep, that's what we do. We get on the towel. Good job, Bailey. Show your mama. Show your mama how we get on the towel. Yep, he's on the towel. Yes, he is. Now, who gets dry? Who gets dry? Buddy gets dry first. There's only one towel. Okay. I have dogs to dry. Bye.